Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we have a part here that has some sealant and some residue left behind. Customer sent this in, wanted to see if Vapor Honing could remove these little pieces that are left behind that didn't actually peel off. Some of this comes off fairly easily, some of it won't. So we're actually gonna put this in the machine. We're gonna blast. I'm just gonna concentrate right here for now on this area, see if we can clean this off. We are using our VH2000 and we actually have a aluminum oxide in here. So we're gonna see if that's aggressive enough to actually remove this. All right guys, we've got this back out of the machine. This is the area that we were actually concentrating in. And even using the 120 aluminum oxide, it's just not aggressive enough to remove this coating that's on here. I can peel it off with my fingers easier than we can blast this off. If you're trying to remove gasket material or any type of sealant, vapor honing and wet blasting is probably not gonna do that for you. Now we're gonna clean this part up and we're gonna make it look nice and pretty and shine for the customer. And this will look amazing when it's done, but as far as removing that gasket material, it's not going to do that. You're gonna have to go back with a razor blade or something to take this off. If you have any questions, give us a call, 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.